I bought this Hobbywing ESC and brushless motor combo, number 38010200 Max10 SCT ESC combo, with 3660 SL 3200kV, sensorless motor, to install in my 1/10 scale, Arrma Granite BLX 4x4 3s, brushless motor. This turned out to be an easy conversion and install. The two motors were very similar in size, and the ESC came with an included screw-on plastic bracket that did fit the existing mounting holes for the Arrma ESC replacement. No need for the two-sided tape. I did have to mount the on-off switch with 3M two-sided tape on the top of my servo case. Hobbywing ESC comes in a high-quality aluminum case, and very high-quality well-built. The motor is also alloy metal casing with a 5mm same size motor shaft as the Arrma, so I just reused the pinion gear from the Arrma and mounted it on the new motor shaft. After plugging the small cable from the ESC to the motor for the heat sensor, I plugged in the heavy wires to the ESC from the motor, tried the motor and ESC, but found the wheels were going in reverse. The Hobbywing manual said to change the motor rotation setting on the ESC to CCW or CW as needed in the ESC, and all was well. Forward was forward, and reverse was reverse when I squeezed the transmitter's throttle trigger. The heat sink from my Arrma did slide onto the new Hobbywing motor easily, and I used that on the new motor. I did have to hacksaw off 3 lower fins from the Arrma heatsink, close to the drive shaft side, so the Arrma's plastic red chassis spine block could slide in further to be able to be screwed securely in place. Several extra accessories like an extra cooling fan and capacitors are included. I wanted to solder Traxxas connectors on the battery wires, so I could use my Traxxas 7600 mAh LiPo batteries, so I bought Traxxas connectors from Amazon and soldered them on the ESC's cable ends. Super high quality Hobbywing product, and the new Hobbywing motor ran very smooth at slow and at high speeds, and much quieter than the original Arrma motor had in the past during my first test drive. Another excellent upgrade to my Arrma RC truck. You will want to buy the Hobbywing LED ESC program card from Amazon. It is a must-have device for this Hobbywing ESC. To easily program its several settings. Links are in the description below.